Hello YouTube, in this video I'll be fixing a 1/4 inch ratchet. As you see here, it doesn't work very well, gets stuck when turning either direction, and sometimes it flips the knob by itself and starts working in the opposite direction. I've never taken one apart before, so let's see how it works, how it's put together, and what's wrong with it. There is a snap ring that you have to take out first. Easy, but I had a little trouble at first because my snap ring pliers were a bit too wide at the pointy ends and the pins were not aligned all that well. So far so good. I haven't found anything broken yet. And I think I may have found the problem. The spring inside the ratchet that's pushed up against the gear is supposed to have a ball or a pin, and it's missing. I'm not sure which one it is, but definitely shouldn't have a bare spring pushing up against the ratchet gear. Since I don't have the ball of the diameter, I'm going to make a pin out of a drill bit. It took me a second to push that spring back in, but it took me an hour to align the pin and push it on top of the spring. I am kind, so I will spare you an hour-long frustration and I'll just fast forward. that's it. It was a really easy fix. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos too. So long.